All right, guys, we got a real quick video of the little pool hog, we're gonna call it. This is the little Amazon jet boat Trey got from Hallie for his birthday. So, first time we run it in open water. So, it runs good. But it still doesn't turn that good. Actually, I mean, when you're moving fast, it turns okay. It kind of feels funny running that after you run in the big boats, huh? It's a dolphin. Anyway, we couldn't leave this one out. He's been running it in the pool, finally getting to stretch its legs a little bit. Alright, we'll be back. Alright guys, getting into some serious stuff here. We gotta confirm the speed. So Amazon says 20 miles an hour on this rascal, so we're gonna see what we got.
7, that's from walking.
Alright, track, read. Alright, let's see what she does. Clap. I'm gonna guess 12. Till you get a good run in, man. I don't want to. I think you might see a little bit of increase in speed there. That should be plenty of room for you to top out. All right, let's get it. Bring it in. Let's get a number. Everybody wants to see this. See where we at. All right, what's your guess?
15.
15. I'm still gonna stick with my 12. I saw 12 point something. All right, stop, read. 12. That was it, 12.3. That was as fast as it's going, bro. All right, do we want to take the GPS out?
Just leave it.
All right, cool. All right. I'm gonna turn the camera off for this speed demon because it's hurt my eyes. It's going so fast. So 12 miles an hour.